For the winner of this photo advocacy is... Nalipat ako, hindi mo ba niya sikat?
Sorry.
Jayarin Aguinaldo, Jayarin Aguinaldo. Umanagal na. Pero na yan.
And last, for the consolation prize, we have Ivan Day Pataluman. Ivan Day Pataluman. Okay? People's Choice. Tatanggap siya ng 1,000 pesos. Congratulations to John Dwayne Sugan. People's Choice.
Disappointed guys. Hanggang kami nag-live.
Dito siya sa online. Vice Mark. John Wayne Suga. Okay, for our major prizes, we have our fourth placer. Natatanggap ng 1,000 pesos. Goes to Baby Mar Taya. Congratulations.
Guys, kanya na.
Is it Baby Mar?
Walang laman.
Mar Baby Mar Taya, our fourth placer. Okay, next, our... Nasaan po siya? Ayan. Yes, fourth place. That's our fourth placer. Wayne Sugan. There's no stated expression and no assessment. This visual conveys the feeling of being scrutinized and the weight of external judgment weighs heavily on them. Second placer goes to Miss Kisha Tangani. Kisha Tangani. First placer goes to Miss MJ Alexa Alina. This image captures the unspoken pressure and anxieties that many adolescents face, urging us to listen and offer support. Ladies and gentlemen, consolation prizes. Again, in no particular order, mga tatanggap ng consolation prizes starting off with contestant number 16. Para ma-clear po, lahat po ng natawag, you can now take your seat. Number 13. For our fifth placer, with an average score of 86.7. Bukas na lang po. Contestant number 6. Our fifth placer. Natatanggap ng 1,000 pesos we have. Contestant with an average score of 87.7. Contestant number 10. Third placer with an average score of 88.7. 88.7 is contestant number lucky 9. 9! Oh my God, dalawa na lamang po ang ating nagsikilang. Okay, magkalaman po ang Rizal and Tabung City from St. William's Academy and Makutay Salao National High School. Okay, ang i-announce ko ay ang grand winner.
Yes!
Ini pag i-announce ko na, in case po na hindi po magampanan ng grand winner kay Tabung. Bakit bang po? I-replace po siya. Okay, first placer with an average score of 91.3. Again, the first placer to receive 5,000 pesos goes to
Number 7.
contestant number
7.
contestant number
7.
Siyempre, McDo. Tagta na nga po kami. First place na guwa. So, andyan naglilibre nila ta sa Di best, taga lang. Time na? Awag mo kasta na pag lang. Ano ka pa? Story time guys, amuyo ba nga nagna kami taong pag-plate meeting.
Pinag-block daw mo yung plate.
Awan kaming karga na guys, aji ko ang envelope mo